Dear students, now we will start some basic introduction of chapter 7. In chapter 7, we will mainly focus on properties of two congruent triangles and also how you will prove two triangles are congruent. So, I have shown a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स एक दूसरे के कॉन्ग्रुएंट होती हैं तो उनकी क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं. We know that two triangles are congruent then their shape as well as their size is also equal. Their measurements is also equal. That's why they are congruent. So if it is given in any question that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is such that this angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to corresponding angle Q, and angle C is equal to corresponding angle R. That's why it is written as triangle ABC and triangle PQR. I have also explained this property in introduction video also. So we can say that when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding all three angles are equal to each other. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So all three angles are equal. Also, as size of these triangles is also equal, then their corresponding sides are also equal. Corresponding sides we can identify from here. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. I have written all of these here. So we can say if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding three angles and their corresponding three sides are always equal, which means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. Okay, so we can write it also as CP-CT rule. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. अगर कोई भी दो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं तो उनके जो कोरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स होंगे वो ऑलवेज क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. You have to memorize this rule. After that we will understand axiom 7.1. So axiom 7.1 states that if two triangles are congruent, यदि कोई भी टू ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगी, कब होंगी? we need not to prove all the three sides and all the three angles congruent. Okay, if any of two sides in this triangle ABC, AC and AB, and angle between these two sides only is equal to another triangle and its two sides and angle between them. अगर किन्हीं भी दो ट्रायंगल्स में हमें कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रूव करनी है, then we need not to prove all three angles equal and all three sides. If in any triangle we prove that any two sides and angle between these two sides, कोई दो sides और उनके बीच में जो एंगल बना है वो एंगल और वो दोनों साइड किसी दूसरे ट्रायंगल के किन्हीं भी दो साइड्स के इक्वल हों और उनके बीच में बना एंगल भी इक्वल प्रूव कर दें हम, then we can say that both of these triangles are congruent to each other. We need not to prove all sides equal or all angles equal. We need to only prove two sides and one angle between those sides is equal to corresponding two sides and one angle of other triangle. So actually in this rule what is included is one is this side, other is angle, then other side. So this rule is called SAS congruence rule, because we can learn it from here that one side include, again angle include, again side include. So this S represents side angle side, side angle side, side angle side. So if side angle side of one triangle is equal to side angle side of a corresponding triangle, then by SAS rule we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now we will learn theorem 7.1. Theorem 7.1 also have its proof, but your proof is excluded or removed from your syllabus, so we will not go for proof. I will simply explain you statement of this theorem 7.1. So if ABC and DEF are two triangles and we need to prove these triangles congruent, then what we simply do, we need not to prove all three angles and all three sides equal. If we prove angle, side and angle, two angles of the same side, and angle, side and angle of other triangle in the similar way, where both of the angles are formed with one side. So if you in any two triangles we prove that angle side angle, angle side angle of one triangle is equal to angle side angle of other triangle, then we can say that both of the triangles are congruent. This rule is called ASA congruence rule, angle side angle congruency rule, because we have proved angle, side and angle equal of one triangle to the other triangle. So we can say both of these triangles are congruent.